Lake Wallenpaupack in the Pocono Mountains is a beautiful place to visit this time of year with plenty of boating, swimming, fishing, and tubing opportunities. But today, we're introducing you to a one-of-a-kind experience that you can only find one place here on the Big Lake. Let's get out of these kayaks and go check it out.
Well, howdy everybody. Welcome aboard.
Get the best seat in the house on Wallenpaupack Scenic Boat Tours, the area's only 50-minute narrated cruise.
Every year, even every tour is kind of different, just depending on what the people on the boat are interested in.
From history and nature to real estate and recreation, Captain Seth will tell you all about the nearly 100-year-old lake.
You're gonna get into this busy populated area over here where all these docks are.
At just 20 years old himself.
I go to college now, but I still come back every single summer, and it just doesn't feel right unless I'm out on the lake.
Seth practically grew up on his family's boat here at Lake Wallenpaupack. He looked up to the scenic boat tour captains, aspired to be like them one day. So when Seth was old enough, he became an employee and worked his way up over time.
It was nice sitting down here on the rental dock, but you only got to drive the boats to go to the gas dock. The tour boat, you get to drive it a lot more.
Steve Gelderman and his wife Bridget are the fourth-generation owners of this family business, which started with a single pontoon boat in 1962.
We just saw the need from a business standpoint to have some more offerings. You know, we've got a great location here, right on Route 6. Right at the lake, kind of the entranceway, and everything is taken off.
If you can imagine it, about a century ago, before this lake was ever a lake, it was a valley.
This is a calm, laid-back, and inexpensive way to experience lake life. You'll walk away with a new appreciation for Pennsylvania's second largest man-made lake, originally built by Pennsylvania Power and Light, or PPL, as a hydroelectric project.
Most of the time, they don't realize the history that's behind the lake. Like, even locals will come on the boat. Sometimes they'll come off saying, I didn't even know this part about the lake or this part about the lake.
Seth heads back to school in September, but for the rest of the summer, you'll find him here at home in the driver's seat.
Oh yeah, no, it's a really fun job.
And that's just a sneak peek. Reserve your spot on WallenpaupackBoatTour.com or buy tickets from East Shore Lodging, just a stone's throw from the Big Lake. And while you're here, look into renting a stand-up paddleboard, pontoon boat, kayak, even book a chartered excursion. For the Pocono Television Network, I'm Brianna Strunk. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the Pocono Tourism YouTube channel and click the bell button below to be the first to watch new videos. You can also click the link on the screen to watch more episodes of Pocono Mountains Magazine.